Hey there and welcome to another episode of Jeff's Toy Box, and right now we are going to review a little bit different pero blind box unboxing pa rin siya. So recently Jollibee have a collaboration with Sanrio, and it kind of get viral for a different reason. And now we're gonna try our luck. So we're going to review the Jollibee Kiddie Meal Sanrio character Wonder Wheel. So Jollibee had the idea of putting making their kiddie meal or their toys blind box style, which is kind of new, and for me it's a bit of a good touch, because now you have the experience of unboxing or doing a blind unboxing, diba? Although the it's my opinion lang, pero and also it has a risk of having the same figure, and yun yung naging viral niya actually. I saw a post or so, several posts of customers or collectors na nag-collect nito, na they have the same character because they bought 6 boxes, because 6 para mabuo mo yung wheel. You have 6 characters, so they bought 6 boxes from one branch, and they have one character. So there's a specification, or there's a not a specification, but there's a theory running na every branch has only one character, and if you want different character, you need to go to different branches. Pero dahil nga unboxes siya, or blind boxes siya, hindi mo alam kung ano yung makukuha mo. But it was debunked kasi may nakita akong post recently na he bought 3 boxes from a branch, and nakuha niya is 3 different characters. So why not let's try our luck. So I bought actually 6. And I bought 6. There you go. 6 boxes. And actually ito ay para sa aking anak. Yung experience lang yung sa akin, yung unboxing experience ko. So yeah, let's go ahead and try to do the unboxing, no? Try to unbox everything. So first box natin, but before that, let's see the packaging. So you have Sanrio characters, Wonder Wheel, and on the front of the box, sa side ng box, makikita mo pwede mo makuha. You have Hello Kitty, My Melody, Kurumi, Cinnamon Roll, Pom Pom Purin, and Pochako. Then you have warnings and everything. You have Jolly Kids Meal, you have Jollibee, and then nothing on the bottom. So syempre ang target natin makuha lahat, but I kind of feel a bit parang what do you call this, I feel like hindi natin mo magagawa yun because of the social or the post sa social media. But let's see kung gaano katindi ang swerte natin. So yan yung Sanrio yan. So may official Sanrio sticker siya, okay, Sanrio license, and yeah, let's go and open the first box. So madali lang buksan yung box niya na hindi mahirap. Then sa loob ng box you have a blind pouch, a blind bag naman. You have a blind box, pero may blind bag ko. So you have here Jollibee Kids Meal. Sa likod is instruction on how to put the toy by itself, and then how to put it as a wheel afterwards. So first character natin, let's see. Ang first character natin ay si Pom Pom Purin. Ayan. So dahil madali lang naman siyang buo, bibuild na lang natin siya ng camera. Okay. So first box gone. Put it here. So we have Pom Pom Purin. So ito palang binili ko na to is came from what they call this? It came from it came from 2 branches. So kung makukuha natin is 2 characters lang, then that's our luck. Pero kung makuha natin is all the characters, then we're good, diba? But nga, medyo merong mixed feeling ako doon. Anyway, so let's put this here. So short stick combined to 1 stick, then the wheel is on, will be put on the puzzle base. Then you have this one, maybe put mo dyan. Then you have Pom Pom Purin, as you can see, very well detailed, Nakasakay sila sa airplane. Only for the articulation, yan lang. Okay. No stickers. Full house siya ay painted molded, which is good. Then lastly, I'm gonna put this, this clip, this little thing with clips here. Lagyan mo na siya dito, and then you connect it here, and there you go. We have pum-pum po rin. So siguro para siyang carnival ride din, gumagano'n-ganon lang. Then pwede mo siyang i-turn if you want. Okay, playability is there. Okay, let's go ahead and open our next box. Babilisan lang mga kapatid. Ay, pum-pum po rin. There you go. Next box. Okay. There's the bag. We have... Uy! New character, ha? So far, ha? So far. So, I think this is... Oh, Hello Kitty. Medyo mixed feeling ako rito, ha? Kasi last time, pumunta kami ng Mega Mall and we bought the boxes there. Kasama ko yung mag-ina ko. And, ang nakuha namin is Hello Kitty, actually. So, 4 yung binili ko nun. I gave the 4th box to my, or the 1 box to my daughter para may laruan siya. Kumakain kami. And, ang inopen niya yun, si Hello Kitty yung nakuha niya. So, I'm not sure. Baka mamaya puro Hello Kitty and pon-purin to. Hopefully not. Okay. So, there you go. And then, gotta put it. Before yan, Hello Kitty pala, close up. Good siya. Again, everything is molded and painted. No sticker. Okay, that's good. This is pink plain or peach plain. I'm not sure if it's pink or peach. Yan. Okay. So, we have 2 already. Next box. Hoping na hindi na siya pumpurin and hindi siya pom-pom-purin and hindi siya Hello Kitty. Here comes our okay. And so far sa mga Blokies collection ito, I'm not that lucky. Oh, good! Actually, this is my favorite character. Si Kurumi. For those na nabuhay sa 90s, di ko alam kung naabutan nyo with her skull. Yan, look at that. Diba? Di ko alam kung naabutan nyo, pero I believe QTV11 QTV11 ata yun, showed or aired My Melody anime.
Ano ba yung binabasa mo?
Ito'y pahina ng kapalaran.
Nalimutan ko anong title na, basta My Melody something. Yan. Tapos nandun si Kurumi, and yun yung first introduction ko kay Kurumi, and mischievous yung character niya, but I like the design. I like how she looks. There you go, Kurumi. And for you guys, ayan si Kurumi. There you go, with her black hoodie and skull, purple plain. Okay, so we're gonna put her clip here, right here. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna put our clip here, and then Kurumi. So far so good. Okay, so far so good. Wala pa tayong duplicate. Hoping na wala tayong duplicate. So we have there. Okay, si Pom-Pom po rin to. Ay, ano Pom-Pom to? Si Pom-Pom, si Kitty, tsaka si Kurumi. 4th box. Hoping this is not the same. So di bang una kasi dalawang character lang dapat eh. So since up na, di bang una siya. So sa mga nag-overthink. Yan na. Oh god, we have our first duplicate. We have Kitty. So tingin ko yung sa sa Mega Mall nga. So Kitty. We have 2 Kitties, 1 Kurumi, and 1 Pom-Pom. Next box. Okay. Let's see. Oh, Kitty pa rin ba to? Oh, another duplicate. Another Pom-Pom. Mukhang si Kurumi lang ang natin na. Ang dinik natin na. Okay. So, we have that. So, meron na tayong 2 Chubibos and 2 Chubibos, 2 Pom-Pom, 2 Kitty, and 1 Kurumi. We are on our last box. Let us see kung sino makukuha natin. Our last box. Here it goes. Hoping that this is different. And what we have is... Oh! Talaga ba? I don't know kung maswerte tayo or something na, you know, half-half. Let's say yung swerte natin is half-half. So we have another duplicate of Kurumi. So that debunks the idea na meron isa lang per ano. Pero that also proves na mahirap talagang i-collect lahat kapag blind box. Well, and also that kinda have another marketing strategy para sa Jollibee, because you know, nakikita ko rin yung posting na ang daming bumibili ng blind box nila para lang makomplete. There you go. Well, for me, good spread to. Why? Because kapag binuha natin, pwede na silang what do you call this? Parang sided ako tawagin natin. So there you go. We have 2 of each, and we have 3 characters available, or we have 3 characters. We have Kitty, we have Pom-Pom, and we have Kurumi. So let's go ahead and build our Chobibo. And for the instruction, we have this one. So ito susundin natin. So ang gagamitin natin base is yung kay Kurumi na lang, or kay Pom-Pom na lang. So kay Pom-Pom na lang, kasi parang gusto kong gamitin yung kay Kurumi later, tsaka yung kay Kitty. So kay Pom-Pom muna, then we're gonna use 3 of each pegs, small pegs. Here we go. So next we're going to use a circle or another base, then we're gonna put it in here. Ayan. And so we have this one na, and then we're going to build another peg. We're gonna use another peg, which is ito. Then we're gonna put it in here. Ito yung magiging parang axle ng ating Chobibo. Then we're gonna use another base, okay, and then we're gonna put it in here. So yan na yung axle ng ating Chobibo. Then lastly, we're going to put our characters like this in here. Okay, so tatanggalin natin to, and I think pwede natin kabito rito para meron siyang icon. No? Masyadong maluwag. Okay, fine. Pero sayang, I mean, diba? Anyway, so we're going to put muna Kurumi. Am I doing it right? Yes. Kurumi. And then we're going to put on Kitty. There you go. Then Pom-Pom. There you go. Then lastly we have Pom-Pom again. So Kitty, Pom-Pom, Kurumi. Let's put Kitty again here para tabi sila ni Kurumi. There you go. Okay. Make sure lang na konektado ng maayos. I'm sorry. Tanggal. And then lastly, we have Pom-Pom. There you go. Yan. Parang mabigat masyado. Wop, wop, wop. Wop. I'm not sure, pero parang mabigat siya. Diba? Anyway, let's put on our base. Baka makatulong siya ng sturdiness nila. There you go. Actually, yung playability niya, since meron kayo nito, meron pa kayo medyo madami-dami, pwede nyo pang palakihin to ng todo. There we go. Yan. Yan. Okay. So yan, kapag medyo malaki na yung mat nyo, medyo maano na siya. Tapos pwede nyo ilagay itong mga to. I'm sorry. Marami tayong maliliit na pegs. I think pwedeng gamitin to. Okay, so this is not the official way of doing it. Pero I kinda had an idea. Kaya di ko lang mapakita masyado sa camera. Pero para magamit lang lahat ng pegs. Sayang. So what I did is this. Yan, so medyo malaki na siya. Pwede naman siyang iikot. And then nag-add siya ng color. Kasi maliit lang masyado yung sa ano, yung sa official way. Pero yeah, I think you can do this. At saka again, the playability is there. pwede nyo gawin kahit anong gusto nyo gawin dito. Gusto nyo man ito Chabibo, gusto nyo man ako na Chabibo, kayong bahala. Pero as you can see, what I did is lahat ng mga bases and pegs ginamit ko. So medyo leaning forward siya kasi medyo mabigat na yung front nung ano. Pero pwede kayo mag-build pa rito, lagyan nyo ng mga extra dito para lang at least maging mas sturdy siya. But yeah, that is the Jollibee Kids Meal. And so Jollibee Kids Meal Sanrio Wonder Wheel. And so again, the theory is debunked, pero palakasan na lang talaga ng swerte kung anong gusto nyo maging, or kung gusto nyo ituloy, gusto nyo hanapin lahat. Pero if ever na makuha nyo, bumili kayo ng 6 tapos nakuha nyo lahat, then good for you, napakaswerte mo boy, tumaya ka ng loto baka sakali. Pero again, ako good na ako rito sa ganito. I mean, I love the spread, although meron akong 2 characters lang. By having it 2x2s, nakagawa ako ng isang magandang design so far, diba? And I like it. The quality of the toy is PVC. I believe it's not that, hindi naman lahat plastic. There's some PVC here and there. No metals, but the design and everything, the color scheme is good. And but by the end of the day, again, this is my personal opinion, and my opinion might be different from what you think. But anyway, that is it for today's episode. Thank you very much for watching, and always remember that behind every toy collector is a child who never stopped dreaming. And happy collecting, happy hunting. See you on the toy box. Peace.